Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the UAG case lineup for your Samsung Galaxy S9 and your Galaxy S9 Plus. Now all of these cases you could get from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from $35 to $60. Alright, so let's get right into it. First up, we got the Pathfinder Series. Now this one is going to run you $35. Alright, so this one has impact-resistant core, feather-light construction, easy access to all your buttons and ports, anti-scratch, screen surround, glare-free flash photos, impact-resistant rubber, and your armor shell. Alright, now shout out to anybody that watches my videos. You've seen all these cases before. I'm going to try to go through this quick. Shout out to White Shoes, back in the building. Now real quick, I put White Shoes in the box, alright, to keep her occupied. So if y'all hear the purring, that's not my stomach, that's White Shoes. Pathfinder Series. Now I love this one. Comes in a bunch of colors. I'm rocking the white one on my iPhone 10. This is what it looks like. On the back, you got your UAG branding. You got your screws. Not real screws, but it gives it that rugged look. All your cutouts. Your buttons and your cutouts. Now one thing about the buttons, if you notice on your power button, has a textured feel to it. Same thing on the Bixby button. Textured feel, and your volume up and down, plus and minus. So that's a nice touch. So this way you don't accidentally keep hitting your Bixby button. When you got your phone in your pocket, you feel that texture. You know that's Bixby. Just raise your finger up a little bit higher. On the inside, you got your honeycomb pattern. That's for shock absorption. It is what it is. All right, so we're slapping on the S9 and see what it looks like. Perfect fit. Now on a side note, I've been getting a few comments, people saying that the UAG cases don't fit right. It's all about where you buy them from. Use the links that's in the description if you want the official tissue ones. If you buy a UAG case for $10 or $15, it's probably fake. That's why it's not fitting correctly. Because if y'all see mine's, all the cutouts are in order. Fits perfectly around the screen. I check that razivity. Nice amount of razivity. Slam Boy certified. Let's check the buttons. There's your power button. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. Make sure I don't got any thought activity. All right, we good. Try that one more time. All right, fingerprint sensor works. Let's check wireless charging. There's your wireless charge. All right, so this is the Pathfinder Series. No fingerprints on this one. Nice matte feel. On the side, you got those little grips. This is the perfect everyday case. Buy this case once, it's going to last you forever. All right, so that's the Pathfinder Series, and like I said, here's other colors. It is what it is. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next, let's get into the Clio Series. Now, this one is going to run you $40. Clio Series. This one comes in a bunch of colors. We'll check out all the colors. All right, so you got your armor frame and your airsoft corners. Okay, here we go. Clio Series. Now, this blue one right here is going to look so dope on the Blue Marine Biologist edition of your Galaxy S9. If you got a blue one, you're going to want this blue Clio case. Trust me. On the back, now this one, it's a transparent case, so you might get a little fingerprints, but if you notice, not much. Okay, all your cutouts. Power button has a little texture to it. Same thing with the Bixby, volume up and down. All the cutouts on the bottom, cutout on the top. Little UAG branding embedded on the bottom. Not overboard though. All right, so let's slap this one on and see what it looks like. Oh, this is for the S9 Plus. I got one for the S9 too. We'll get into both. This is for the S9 Plus. Okay, slaps right on. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. Power button. All right, there's your power button. Now this is what it looks. Let me wipe it down for that beautiful dramatic effect. Bang, just like that. Okay, check out all the cutouts. Let's check the razivity. Nice amount of screen protection. You got reinforced corners on the bumpers. There's your power button, fingerprint sensor, no problems. Let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge on deck. Now, let's pop open the blue one for the S9, because I want y'all to see what the blue on blue is going to look like. Okay, so here's the blue S9. Let's get a little wipe down. Whew, look at this. Now, this blue is beautiful. We'll slap this one right on. Blue on blue. Look at that. Let's wipe it down one more time. If you got your blue Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, it's going to look perfect. Clio Series. Let's drop a few more colors on just so y'all can get the full effect. We got red. All right, now I'm trying to step my unboxing game up faster. Okay, here's the red version. All right, we'll slap this on the blue. Let's see how red and blue looks. Okay, here's red and blue. Now the red one definitely looks nice on the black. I got it on my Note 8. Red and black is a major combination. If that's a such thing. Let's see what else we got. Now check this out. Clio Series does come in full transparent. All right, so we'll slap this one on the S9. Full transparent. Now this is dope. If you want to showcase the color of your phone, so you got the lilac purple, the Thanos version, slap this on. Now all of these cases, look closely. They all fit perfectly. I don't know what y'all talking about. Cases don't fit right. They all fit perfectly. You don't see any spaces, no movement. There's your razivity. This is how the clear one. Let me wipe this down. This is dope. All right, so the clear one, I think that's going to be the daily. And we got one more color. We got the smoked out black. We'll slap this one on the black. Wesley Snipes S9 Plus. Yo, check this out. Look at Zerks. Zerks looking mad tight. All right, here we go. This is the black version. We'll slap this on the S9 Plus. See what it looks like. Smoked out black. Wesley Snipes S9 Plus. Now this case has a nice sticky feel to it, but it slaps right on. You clean it up. Oh, this is nice. This is slowly becoming one of my favorite UAG cases, which I know what my favorite one is. We're going to save that for last. All right, so that's the Clio Series. Let's keep it moving. Let's see, did I get all? All right, so we got all the Clio Series. Next up, let's get into the Plasma Series. Now this one is going to run you $40. This is a UAG trademark case right here. All right, this is the one that put them on the map. Plasma Series, same thing on the back. You got your impact resistant core, feather light construction, easy access to all your ports, anti-scratch, screen surround, that's razivity, glare free flash photos, armor shell, shock absorption corners, impact resistant rubber. Now this one comes in a bunch of colors. I'll breeze through all the colors real quick. Only one color I haven't seen is the red one, but it is what it is. Now this case, this is a classic right here. All right, this is a classic. This is my second favorite UAG case. You see those screws right there? Now they don't go all the way through, but it gives it that rugged military style look. There's your UAG letters. They don't peel off. Honeycomb pattern on the inside. There's all your cutouts. This one has a nice thick rubber around it. Impact resistant corners. Extra puffed up. We'll slap this on the S9 and see what it looks like. All right, now this is the ice color. All right, now you got smoke and ice. I'll show you the difference. Now look at the razivity on this one. This is maximum razivity, Slamboy certified. Wireless charge on deck. There's your wireless charge. Let's check that power button. Power button, no problems. Fingerprint sensor, no problems. Let's get one more wipe down, front and back. And this is what it's going to look like. Now it's transparent, so you can still see a little bit of the blue. This case is not going to turn yellow. Now, that's another question. A lot of people ask me about the UAG cases. Do they turn yellow? And the answer is no. Now, most cases that turn yellow, they turn yellow on the corners. But the UAG cases have the blacked out corners, so you don't have to worry about that. Maximum razivity. Now, let's keep it moving. Now, I'm going to show you the difference between the ice and the smoke. This is ice. This is the smoke version. Let's pop this one open. Shout out to UAG for the easy packaging. Here's the difference. Now, if you notice, the smoke, both of these are transparent, but the smoke is just a little bit more smoked out. So it's a little bit darker. All right, so we'll drop this on the black S9 Plus. Let's get a little wipe down. Xerxes got cat hairs all over the place. This is lit right here. All right, the Plasma Series, you can't lose with this one. That textured power button makes it easy to reach. There's your fingerprint sensor on deck. Let's hit that wireless charge. Just like that. Now, in the meantime, let's take a look at the blue version. All right, S9 Plus blue version. Right. Now let's mix and match. We'll slap it on the Thanos version, Purple Haze, and see what it looks like. All right, so this is the blue version right here. Now I'm feeling the blue. Imagine the blue on the blue S9 or the S9 Plus. That's gonna look dope. All right, so let's see what else. Let's see, we got any other colors? All right, so we got. Let's get into the lime green. Whoo! Now, if you got the Nike watch, all right, fellas, if you got that Nike Volt watch, the match on this is perfect. All right, we'll slap this on the black on black, all black everything. Here's the green. Now, you see, I'm taking these cases off and putting them on in real time. You shouldn't be struggling to take off these cases. They fit perfectly and they come off easily. Here's the lime green. This one is hot though. Power button, no problems. All right, so that's pretty much it for the Plasma series. Let's see, did I get all of them? Yeah, now I got a bunch of different ones too, but you already seen them. No need to go through those. All right, now let me peel these off because I want to show y'all my favorite UAG case. All right, we all phoned out. Here we go. Favorite UAG case. Now this one is going to run you $60. It's the most expensive one, the Monarch Series. Now, you do have some custom ones. Y'all seen the carbon fiber I did the other day for the iPhone 10, but we're just going to stick to the basic Monarch Series. $60 on this, real top grain leather, all right, and real screws. Now, this one has an armored frame, leather or carbon fiber, depending on which one you get, a polycarbonate shear plate, alloy metal hardware, and impact-resistant rubber. 10-year warranty. Now, I know some of you are going to say $60. Good Lord, that's a lot of money. It is, but this is one of those cases, like I said earlier, you buy it once. Now, I can pull out any one of my Monarch cases. They all look brand new. These cases don't get beat down. Nice looking presentation right here. Just pop this out. Almost makes you want to save the box. Monarch Series. Let me do the smell test. This is real leather. You see that leather in the middle? That's real leather. Now, I got the iPhone 10 version with the carbon fiber. I love that one too. Real screws. Now, you see, you could actually unscrew these if you want. You got your honeycomb pattern on the side. There's your textured power button. On the inside, more UAG branding, more honeycomb. Bixby button, volume up and down. All the cutouts on deck. All right, so we'll slap this on the S9. Now this, check this out. When you're slapping your case on, the first thing you want to do is make sure you put it on the correct way. Don't put it in upside down. Don't be like me. This case feels so good in the hands, ladies. You know the procedures. It just looks beautiful, and this case screams quality. You got to hold this case for yourself. This is beautiful. This is the best one. Worth every penny. Let's hit that fingerprint sensor. There's your power button. Fingerprint sensor on deck. Now look at the razivity on this. No screen protector necessary. Now, I pretty much gave up on screen protectors. Gorilla Glass is pretty good these days, but if you got Butterfingers, I will show you a couple of screen protectors, maybe in a couple of days. But basically, I just rock it butt naked, raw dog. I like to feel that glass. Let's check wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. Now, this is my favorite color of the Monarch, the red and black. All right, so we'll slap this one on. One more time, y'all. Look at Zerks. Shout out to White Shoes, playing it nice and calm. That might be my new plan now. I might have to leave the box on the table to keep White Shoes from trolling the videos. Leather in the middle, UAG branding. There go those screws. Look at the corner reinforcements. Like I said, this case worth every penny. We'll slap this one on the black. Whoo! Look at this. Just let that sink in for a second. Here's your power button. Fingerprint sensor. Like I said earlier, case fits 100% perfectly. You don't see any looseness on the corners. You drop the case, it's not going to pop out by itself. Spend the extra couple of dollars and make sure you get the official tissue version. All right, we got one more. Let's drop the black one on the, because this is going to be my daily case, so I had to get one for each. Let's drop the black one on the lilac purple haze. Check this out. Now, one thing I love about this, you only see the purple in the middle. So if you're trying to get rid of that color, maybe you're wearing something that's not going to match the purple. I just talk White Shoes right out of the box. Only see a little bit of purple, just enough for your fingerprint sensor. Okay, does work. Let's check that razivity. Look, Zerks went back in the box. Let's check wireless charge just to be safe. Wireless charge on deck, you see the red light, and wireless charge on the red. Basically, like I said, the Monarch Series, my favorite UAG case. Anyway, this is the UAG case lineup for your Galaxy S9 and your Galaxy S9 Plus. I'll let those sink in for a second. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.